Most BMWs become serious money pits once they cross 100,000 miles, but these 10 are different. This list is built using real-world information from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and thousands of long-term BMW owners sharing experiences on BimmerPost. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the number one BMW on this list is the most reliable vehicle BMW has ever made, F10 5 Series 535i. The F10 5 Series, equipped with the N55 single-turbo engine, marked BMW's return to reliability after years of problematic releases. Produced between 2011 and 2016, this generation successfully combined luxury with a generally solid platform that mechanics respect for its engineering quality. Based on Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost owner documentation, the N55 engine eliminated the high-pressure fuel pump failures and carbon buildup issues that affected earlier turbocharged BMW engines. The single-turbo layout reduces complexity while still delivering strong performance. The F10 chassis uses proven suspension components and dependable electrical systems, avoiding the cascading failures commonly seen in earlier BMW generations. BMW master technicians report that F10 models equipped with the N55 engine often exceed 150,000 miles with regular maintenance. The 535i delivers an ideal balance between performance and dependability, offering true BMW driving dynamics without the catastrophic repair costs tied to more complicated models. Independent BMW specialists regularly recommend this configuration for buyers seeking reliable luxury performance. E85 Z4 First Generation. The E85 Z4 Roadster reflects BMW's focus on driving purity rather than complicated technology, resulting in a surprisingly durable sports car. Built from 2002 to 2008, this generation relies on naturally aspirated engines and simpler electronics that mechanics value for easy servicing. According to Automotive Reliability, Research, and Consumer Reports analysis, the E85 Z4, equipped with the M54 or N52 naturally aspirated inline-six engines, avoids turbo complexity and direct injection problems found in later BMW models. These engines are well known for durability and smooth operation. The Roadster design removes many of the complex systems used in BMW sedans and SUVs, significantly reducing potential failure points. Its emphasis on driving experience instead of luxury features creates a more reliable ownership experience. BMW master technicians state that well-maintained E85 Z4 models frequently exceed 200,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. This mix of simplicity and solid engineering makes it an excellent enthusiast option. G5X 5 4th Generation. The G5 X5 represents BMW's modern reliability comeback, consistently earning high ratings from J.D. Power for quality and dependability. Introduced in 2018 and still in production, this generation blends modern luxury with greatly improved engineering standards. J.D. Power reliability studies and Consumer Reports testing show major improvements over previous generations, especially in electrical reliability and build quality. The X5 xDrive 40i with the B58 engine is particularly praised for its strong construction. This fourth-generation X5 benefits from lessons BMW learned during its reliability struggles of the 2000s and early 2010s. Enhanced manufacturing methods and tighter quality control have resulted in fewer early failures and warranty claims. Independent BMW specialists report that early G5 models show excellent reliability trends, with fewer problems in the first 50,000 miles than any earlier X5 generation. The balance of modern features and dependability makes this generation highly recommended. G23 Series 7th Generation. The G23 series marks BMW's return to form, posting strong reliability scores and improved overall build quality. Produced from 2019 onward, this generation fixes many of the issues that affected earlier 3 Series models, while keeping BMW's driving character intact. Consumer Reports, reliability data, and J.D. Power studies show that G20 models using the B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder engines demonstrate clear improvements in long-term dependability compared to previous generations. The 7th generation 3 Series benefits from refined technology, integration, and improved manufacturing consistency. Its chassis and electrical systems experience fewer early failures than the problematic F30 generation before it. BMW master technicians specifications report that G20 models require fewer warranty repairs and show stronger long-term reliability pattern. The 330i and 340i, equipped with proven engines, offer one of the best combinations of performance and dependability in today's BMW lineup. F25X 3nd generation. The F25 X3 is widely praised for being a practical and comfortable SUV without the excessive complexity seen in later generations. Built from 2010 to 2017, this model relies on solid engines and proven chassis components that mechanics trust. Consumer Reports data and automotive reliability research highlight post-facelift 2014-2017 models as especially dependable, using improved N55 engines and later B48, B58 units that resolved earlier turbo issues. This second-generation X3 delivers an excellent balance between capability and simplicity, offering genuine BMW driving dynamics without the electronic complications common in larger SUVs. The platform is well understood, and parts availability is strong. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend the F25 X3 as one of the most reliable BMW SUVs available, with many examples surpassing 150,000 miles on routine maintenance alone. F48X1 second generation. The F48X1 stands as BMW's entry-level reliability champion. Built on a front-wheel drive platform, it avoids many complex and costly drivetrain components found in traditional rear-wheel drive BMWs, which directly improves reliability. Consumer Reports analysis and BMW reliability data show that the F48X1's simpler architecture removes several expensive failure points common in larger BMW models. The B48 four-cylinder engine is well proven and dependable. The X1's smaller size and reduced system complexity mean fewer things can go wrong, while the B48 engine delivers sufficient performance along with excellent fuel economy. Shared components with many models ensure good parts, access, and service knowledge. BMW master technicians report that F48X1 models require far fewer repairs than larger BMW SUVs, making them an excellent option for buyers seeking BMW comfort without high maintenance costs. F22 2 Series Coupe first generation. The F22 2 Series Coupe represents the safest enthusiast choice, avoiding unnecessary complexity while still delivering excellent driving dynamics. Produced from 2014 to 2021, this platform prioritizes driving engagement over luxury technology. Automotive reliability studies and Consumer Reports data indicate that F22 models, equipped with B48 four-cylinder and B58 six-cylinder engines, offer strong reliability without sacrificing BMW's signature driving. The coupe design removes multiple potential failure points. The 230i and M240i are especially respected for having fewer systems that can fail while still offering strong performance. Rear-wheel drive preserves BMW handling without the complexity of all-wheel drive systems. Independent BMW specialists regularly recommend the F22 2 Series as the most reliable path to genuine BMW performance, with many examples exceeding 100,000 miles without major problems. E93 Series 5th generation. The E93 series, equipped with naturally aspirated engines, holds legendary mechanical status, especially the 328i, powered by the N52 engine produced from 2006 to 2013. These non-turbo models are famous for longevity. Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost documentation consistently identify the N52 Inline-6 as one of BMW's most over-engineered and reliable modern engines. With proper maintenance, it regularly exceeds 200,000 miles. The key is avoiding turbocharged E90 variants and focusing specifically on the N52 powered 328i. Removing turbocharging eliminates major sources of complexity while preserving smooth power delivery. BMW master technicians report that N52 engines are nearly bulletproof when maintained correctly, with many examples reaching 250,000 miles on original internal components. G1 X3 3rd generation. The G1 X3 sets the benchmark for modern BMW reliability, consistently earning high scores in JD Power and Consumer Report studies. Built from 2018 onward, it offers an ideal balance of size, technology, and dependability. JD Power reliability data and Consumer Reports testing show that G1 models equipped with B48 and B58 engines demonstrate excellent build quality and minimal owner-reported problems. The xDrive 3, 0i, and M40i variants are especially dependable. This third-generation X3 benefits from BMW's improved manufacturing processes and stricter quality control following earlier reliability issues. The result is a far more dependable luxury SUV. Independent BMW specialists report that G1 X3 models show outstanding long-term reliability, with fewer issues in the first 75,000 miles than any previous X3 generation. F33 Series 340i with B58 engine. The F33 Series 340i, equipped with the B58 turbocharged inline-six, stands as the king of modern BMW reliability. Produced from 2016 to 2019, this pairing of refined chassis and robust engine creates BMW's most dependable modern car. Consumer Reports data and extensive BIMR post feedback widely recognize the B58 as BMW's most reliable modern engine. Its strength, efficiency, and low failure rate set it apart. The B58 is so highly regarded that Toyota adopted a version for the Supra, highlighting its engineering excellence. Late production F30 models also avoid early reliability problems seen in earlier years. BMW master technicians consistently rank the F3340i with the B58 engine as the most reliable modern BMW, with many examples surpassing 150,000 miles with standard maintenance.